The second wave of COVID 19 has wreaked havoc in India. To make matters worse, experts are speculating that India would face third and fourth waves in the future, just as some of the countries in the West. The situations like these call for individuals to be prepared to tackle emergencies. The second wave has already proved to be more devastating than the first wave and has forced many states to bring back lockdown restrictions. Unfortunately, several thousands of people have been infected, requiring medical care, while some have already lost their life to the virus. Hello and welcome. I'm Vineet from ClearTax. In this video, I will tell you how life insurance and health insurance may help families during the COVID-19 pandemic. It is a well-known fact that hospitalization is a costly affair in the modern world. It may see people spending their life savings and breaking investments to cover their medical needs. If the sole earning member of the family dies, then it pushes the lives of dependents to the dark. The second wave of COVID 19 has reiterated the importance of having suitable insurance policies. With the right general insurance and life insurance policies by your side, you can keep hefty medical bills at bay and provide your family members with financial security. You might wonder as to how life insurance differs from general insurance and how do these help families amid the COVID-19 pandemic. Let's now understand how do general insurance policies help families. General insurance is a contract between the insured and the insurer under which the insurer agrees to pay the sum assured of the policy to the insured when they face a financial loss. Health insurance is a type of general insurance which offers cover to the policyholder against medical expenses. By purchasing the right health insurance policy, you will avoid paying for the hospitalization expenses as they will be covered by the policy. You have to include all your dependent family members under a Mediclaim policy. The premiums paid towards such policies would be nominal as compared to the sum assured. Medical inflation is on the rise in India, and the COVID-19 pandemic has only made it worse. To receive quality health care, you may have to spend a fortune, which can be avoided by purchasing a health insurance policy. You will not have to worry about running into a financial crisis during hospitalization, as the insurance policy would be covering most of the expenses. You might have a question as to should you buy a separate health insurance policy apart from the one that is offered by your employer. While most employers offer group insurance, it is recommended to purchase a private one as well. The group insurance cover may not be sufficient and it may have a capping on the ward charges. Now that multiple family members are being infected at a time, it would be best to have two active health insurance policies. If you are not covered under any health insurance policy yet, it is advisable to purchase a policy covering at least the treatment for COVID-19. Many insurers have launched exclusive policies on the back of the COVID-19 pandemic, and you have the liberty to choose the sum assured and the term of the policy, while the payments payable are reasonable. Purchasing the right health insurance policy is certain to help families preserve their life savings and avoid breaking investments for their medical needs. Also, it would give you the peace of mind of being protected against running into a financial crisis arising due to a medical emergency. Let's now understand how do life insurance policies help families. A life insurance policy is a contract between the policyholder and the insurance company under which the insurance company promises to pay the sum assured of the policy to the nominee if the policyholder dies within the term of the policy. These insurance policies offer a life cover for the insured. Availing of a life insurance policy is recommended for all earning individuals, more so if you are the breadwinner of your family. You will get a large sum assured in exchange for the payment of a nominal premium. If an untoward incident like the COVID-19 infection takes your life, the insurer pays the sum assured of the policy to the nominee. The sum assured of the policy would take care of your family's future expenses and they can continue to live the same lifestyle that you're currently providing them with. Given the ongoing health crisis, it would be best to purchase a life insurance policy and secure the lives of your dependents. You have to consider your family's current and future expenses before deciding the sum assured. You may consider purchasing an endowment policy. These policies are a contract that pays out a fixed sum to the insured upon surviving the predefined period, while it pays out the sum assured to the nominee if the policyholder dies within the term of the policy. Do not forget to check if you have been covered under the EDLI life cover. Employees working in the private sector companies enrolled under the EPFO are automatically covered under the Employees Deposit Linked Insurance or EDLI scheme. It is a mandatory life insurance cover that pays out assurance benefits to the nominee if the employee dies during his service. The payout under the scheme ranges from Rs 2.5 lakh to Rs 7 lakh. It depends on the salary drawn by the employee in the last 12 months. An employee must be in continuous employment for at least 12 months preceding his death, and a change of employers is allowed in this duration. Although the assurance benefit of the EDLI scheme may not be significant for some employees as compared to the salary, but it could still be enough to prevent the family members from facing an immediate financial crunch upon the death of the employee. It is not wise to depend entirely on the EDLI life cover. This could just act as a supplement to a private life insurance cover. To conclude, the COVID-19 pandemic has shown us the importance of having right insurance policies. Individuals should review their insurance and opt for a top-up if needed. The primary goal is to protect the life savings and offer financial security for dependents. If you like this video, please to like, comment and share. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel so that you get a notification whenever we upload a new video. Thanks for watching.